Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of Dr. Sebi, a legendary herbalist and natural healer known for his alkaline diet that has inspired millions worldwide. Did you know that what kind of salt you use can actually affect your body's pH and overall health? That's why many of Dr. Sebi's followers swear by Celtic Salt, a natural sea salt packed with minerals. Stay tuned because this mineral-rich salt might just change the way you think about seasoning forever. Who was Dr. Sebi and why his salt choice matters? Dr. Sebi was a renowned holistic healer who strongly believed in maintaining the body's alkaline balance as a foundation for vibrant health. He cautioned against common table salt because it is highly processed and stripped of minerals, which he said could acidify and stress the body. Instead, Dr. Sebi promoted natural, mineral-rich salts that help nourish and balance the body instead of depleting it. Among these, Celtic sea salt was one of his top recommendations. So let's start the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. What makes Celtic salt so special? Harvested by hand from the pristine coastal areas of the Celtic Sea, this salt retains more than 80 essential minerals, including magnesium, calcium, and potassium, that are vital for our body's health. Unlike refined table salt, which is just sodium chloride, Celtic salt is moist, minimally processed, and rich in natural nutrients. According to Dr. Sebi's philosophy, these minerals support proper hydration, healthy nerve and muscle function, and help keep the body's pH balanced in an alkaline state. Dr. Sebi's approved salt alternatives. Dr. Sebi recommended two main natural sources of salt to use in your diet: unprocessed sea salts like Celtic salt and granulated seaweed. Seaweed added iodine and a wealth of other trace minerals that many modern diets lack. Celtic salt, on the other hand, offered a balanced profile of minerals in their natural form. Even with these healthier options, Dr. Sebi warned not to overconsume salt of any kind, emphasizing moderation as key. The health benefits Dr. Sebi attributed to Celtic salt. Dr. Sebi taught that Celtic salt supports electrolyte balance, which is crucial for keeping your muscles and nerves functioning properly. It helps maintain hydration by enabling water to enter your cells efficiently. Its natural, unrefined state means it's free from additives and harmful chemicals that can disrupt health. Followers of Dr. Sebi also use Celtic salt in other ways inspired by his teachings, like adding it to baths or using it in steam inhalations to support skin and respiratory wellness. Using Celtic salt in your daily life the Dr. Sebi way. Incorporate small amounts of Celtic salt into your diet as a flavorful, mineral-rich seasoning. Whether dissolved in water as a tonic or sprinkled on food, it works best when combined with a diet rich in alkaline fruits, vegetables, and herbs. Remember, even natural salts should be used sparingly to maintain health and avoid excess sodium intake. Quick comparison: why not table salt? Dr. Sebi strongly opposed regular table salt because it is highly refined and stripped of minerals, often containing additives making it harmful. In comparison, Celtic salt is natural, hand-harvested, and packed with over 80 essential minerals such as magnesium, calcium, and potassium that support hydration and alkaline balance. Another approved alternative is granulated seaweed, valued for iodine and trace minerals. While Himalayan salt is also mineral-rich, Dr. Sebi preferred sea salts like Celtic salt for their natural ocean mineral profile. His clear advice was to choose natural, unprocessed salts and avoid refined table salt altogether. So, if you're following Dr. Sebi's alkaline lifestyle or simply looking for a healthier salt option, Celtic salt offers a natural, mineral-packed alternative that can support your hydration, mineral balance, and overall well-being. Just remember the golden rule: use in moderation and pair it with a balanced diet for the best results. Let me know in the comments if you've tried Celtic salt or other natural salts and how they worked for you.